How to add hashtag on Instagram post. So to do that, all you have to do after you open your phone, go and open your Instagram app like this. So now I'll show you two methods on how to do it. So if you want to add the hashtag on Instagram post that you are just uploading, all you have to do, tap on this plus button to go and select your post. After you tap on this plus button, go ahead and select the post that you want to post. Let's say I want to post this picture. Tap on this next button. So tap on this next again. So it will take you to this option. All you have to do now, if you come to this section now, as you can see, it says write a caption. Under this write a caption, just tap on this place and tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this ABC on your keyboard and tap on this hash. After you tap on this hash, as you can see now, tap on this ABC again. So now you can go ahead and write some words that are related to your post. As you can see now, like if you want to hide your username, or like let's say just add something that is trending, let's say news. Just go ahead and type something that is trending in your current position or in your current area. After you finish just adding such keyword, all you have to do now, tap on this OK button. So you can go ahead and tap on this share button. You share your post with your hashtag. But if you are just adding, if you already posted your post and you want to just add hashtag under it, all you have to do now, after you open your phone, go and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile here, you can be able to see all your posts. So now I want to add hashtag under this post. As you can see now, let's say this one. After you open the post like this, tap on this, as you can see now, three dot at the top right side. After you tap on this three dot, now tap on this edit section. So if you, it will take you to this option. As you can see now, if you come to this section, all you have to do now, tap on this numbers and tap on this hash. After you tap on this hash, now you can go ahead and type in your hashtag under this post and tap on this save button. It will save your Instagram post with the hashtag that you added. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.